Igbo lady, first black mayor of Galway. How Igbo daughter Helen Ogbu made history in Ireland. 21 years ago, she arrived in Galway with nothing. Today, Galway gave her everything. Meet Helen Ogbu, the Igbo lady who just became mayor.
21 years ago, she chose Galway as her home. Today, Helen Ogbu has been chosen to serve as its first citizen. A native of Nigeria, she is the first person of migrant background to serve as mayor of the city of Galway. A proud occasion for her family in Ireland and Nigeria.
Galway is called the city of cultures, right? But I think today really cements that. So we're all really proud. We're all really showing out today. I think she's going to be our best mayor yet.
She has represented us well here as a well-trained individual, caring.
It hasn't always been an easy path in politics for the new mayor.
I think the wonderful speeches of support from councillors from every party this evening in the council chamber showed that people want to face down the bullies, that racism has no place in Galway, and that the sort of hate speech and hate language, the vile stuff we saw online, is not reflected in the enormous support and warmth for Helen Ogbu as mayor of Galway City today.
I want Galway's reputation as a welcoming city to have real meaning for everyone who makes a home here, so that whether you were born in Galway, in another country, you will feel a valued citizen who belongs in this beautiful city.
The themes of belonging and community will be the focus of her mayoralty.
It all goes to the people of Galway City for actually believing in me, for giving me this opportunity, giving me the mandate, for actually voting for me.
In 2006, Helen Uchechukwu left Igbo land, Nigeria, after her husband Sunny Orji-Ogbu was murdered for his political work. She came to Galway seeking safety. She raised her daughter in direct provision. But she didn't just survive, she served. For 20 years, this Igbo lady fostered over 30 children in Galway. She mentored families. She built community. We Igbo in Nigeria are proud of her. Black people worldwide are proud of her. Today, we celebrate her. Her path wasn't easy. Councillors said she faced vile stuffs online, racist abuse, hate speech. They told her to go back to Nigeria. But on 19 June 2026, every party in Galway City Council stood up and said no to the bullies. They voted Igbo lady Helen Ogbu as the 72nd mayor of Galway, the first black mayor, the first migrant mayor, the first Igbo mayor in Ireland. In her words, today is historic, but I do not view it as a personal achievement. This is a reflection of Galway, the city I now call home. Her team as mayor. Belonging young people, community. I want Galway's reputation as a welcoming city to have real meaning, whether you were born in Galway or another country. That's why we celebrate her. She carried herself as a well-trained daughter of Igbo land, and she represented us well. From direct provision in Salt Hill to first citizen of Galway, from Igbo land to Ireland, Labour leader Ivana Bassett called her compassionate, determined. Galway calls her mayor. We call her our pride. Ndibo, are you proud of Helen Ogbu? Black people worldwide, do you celebrate this win? Comment Igbo lady if you're proud, and subscribe for more diaspora wins. My name is Azoka Oje Dalono.